sparkles. So today I'm so excited because I'm going to do a updated skincare fridge, and I love my skincare fridge, and I just had so much fun, showing you all my skincare fridge. And if you haven't checked out my first skincare fridge video, I will link it in the description box below so you all can check that out. And yes, I just want to do an updated skincare fridge because I was requested by one of my subscribers. I love her, she's so sweet. Her name is Dania Hart, and she requested me to do this video. Thank you so much for requesting for me to do this video. So I am doing this video, and I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'm just so excited to show you an updated skincare fridge so you can see what I have in my skincare fridge right now. So if you all want to see what is in my skincare fridge, then just keep on watching. Here's my updated skincare fridge. Okay, since the last time you seen my skincare fridge, I added some stickers to it. This is a Frigidaire mini fridge, and I got this from samsclub.com, or you can get it from walmart.com as well. And these stickers I added to my refrigerator. I got it from my planner sticker book, and here are the books that I use. The happy memory keeping stickers, and I use the sticker book right here, and I use Create 365. Yeah, so I just want to let you know that's where I got these stickers from. You can still, pick them up. I got these from Walmart. Okay, I added some flowers right there. It's so pretty with the pink and gold in the middle. And I have a cute heart. And it's pink and it says love. And then I have these, and also I have this butterfly sticker and this hearts right here, and a little these hearts right here, and a little heart envelope. So cute. And I love the stickers I put on here. Let's look inside the refrigerator right now. Okay, so this is what my skincare fridge looks like. I still have some of my same products from last time, but I also have some, new products I've added in my skincare fridge, and I just want to show you all. So the first product I have in here, I love this Glow Recipe Glow Ultra Fine Mist, and it's so refreshing. It smells like watermelon, and it definitely leaves my face nice and refreshing. And I love this. It smells so good, and it's so great, to wake your skin up with this and just spray your face, and it's just so great, and I love this so much. And also I have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Juice, and this is really nice too. It's a moisturizer, and I love this. And it's also matches the mist because it's paired together. It smells so good as well. I'm just so happy I have this, and it definitely moisturizes my face. Here's another facial spray I've been using as well. Mario Badescu facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water, and definitely nice and refreshing. It's great on your skin. It's a great facial spray, and yeah, I've been using this for a while. And also I have this, and this is another great moisturizer, like a serum, but this is a serum. This is the Too Faced Hangover Good in Bed, and this is the hydrating serum, so it definitely has a nice glow, and I'm so happy I have this. It's definitely lightweight, and it's great to put on before your makeup or at night, whenever you're getting ready to go to bed, or in the morning. And this is the Symphony for the Skin body lotion, and I love this. It smells really good, and this is what it looks like. It's a nice lotion moisturizing skin, and it's like white color right here, and it's really hydrating and great for the winter time. And also I have the Tarte Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost, and it's the Boost Hydration, and it's really nice. This is what it looks like inside. It's like a clear bluish color, and it's really hydrating. It's a gel product, and it's definitely moisturizes my skin, and it's in the refrigerator, so you know it's cold, and when you put it on your skin, it's just so nice, and it definitely wakes your skin up. And yeah, so I'm just so happy to have this product. And this is the Snowflake body lotion. On here it says, there's no need to fear winter dryness with the almond milk and cocoa butter cream. And it does smell really good. It's like a brownish, light brown color, and it smells like almonds and cookies. It smells so delicious and so moisturizing. And also I have this cookie dough shower scrub, and I love a nice shower scrub. It's so great to just like, you know, put this on and just, you know, scrub. And this is so great to use in the shower. And it just says, buff your body with the bakery fresh scent of vanilla, absolute, and hazelnut oil. And it smells so good. It says on here, a sweet scrubber that smells good enough to eat. And look how it looks. It looks so good. It looks so good to eat. It definitely looks like cookie dough. And it smells so good. It smells like cookie, fresh baked cookie. Come out the oven at the bakery. And also I have this Yes to Cucumber Soothing Sensitive Skin Daily Gel Cleanser. And it says on here, yes to cucumbers and green tea for a gentle, soothing, gel-based cleanser. And I use this a lot in my skincare, you know, in the morning time. And I love this, and it smells so good. It smells like cucumbers, and I love cucumbers. And yeah, so I definitely, you know, recommend this gel cleanser. It's awesome. And I just want to show you all this. How cute is the little cucumbers on top right there. So cute. Okay, and the last thing I have in my skincare fridge are my face masks. And here we go, the first one right here. And here's the first one. This is the K Bella Professional, and this is the Purifying In Shower Gel Face Mask. And yeah, this says on here, enriched with natural ingredients. And my subscriber, her name is Denaya Hart. Shout out to her. She told me about this brand, and she told me to try it out, and I love this brand of products. So I definitely love their, you know, face masks. They're awesome, and I love this. It's really nice, and it definitely does, you know, cleanse your skin and make you feel really nice and relaxed. Yes, I love this product. And how pretty is the packaging as well. Makes you think of like a spa. So nice. And also I have these two Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks, and these are great for, you know, just pampering yourself. And all these products are great for pampering yourself, but I just love these as well. And yeah, so this is a great face mask, and I just want to show you all of that. And also, if you notice, in my last skincare fridge, I had these in my skincare fridge, and I definitely had to go and purchase some more because, you know, they're awesome as well. And also I have this Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Jelly Sheet Mask, hydrated and soothing. This is a great product. You know, it's so cute. It looks just like a watermelon slice, and I just think it's so nice. And definitely this is by the same company as the Glow Moisturizer and the Glow Mist. And yeah, I just think the packaging is so cute as well. And it's nice and hydrating and soothing. And the last product I have in my skincare fridge are these Too Cool for School Pumpkin 24 Karat Gold Mask. And how cute is the packaging? It's like in the shape of a pumpkin, little eyelashes. And yeah, I just love this, especially around the fall time, just like pumpkins. And yeah, it definitely hydrates my face and moisturizes. So I just want to show you all products as well, and it's cute little stars on it too. And here's the overview of everything that was in my skincare fridge. Okay, so that is the end of the video, and that's everything that was in my skincare fridge. Okay, so that is the end of this video, and I had so much fun showing you all what I'm keeping in my skincare fridge right now, and just like, you know, just showing you all what products I like, and hopefully it will help you all if you like some of the products I like. You know, you can pick some up, and I just hope you enjoyed watching this video. So if you enjoyed watching this video, give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and then turn your post notification bell so you all will be notified whenever I upload another video, and I will see you on my next video. Alright, bye, love y'all.